This last one, we are done. Oh, we love maths. Maths is beautiful, isn't it? Part K. Now let's do it. Maths is beautiful. I mean, I know yours will get 100%. I want 100%. This is going to be the limit as h goes to 0. You can try it on your own if you want. Pause, try it on your own, then catch up. So this is mine now. 3 plus h to the power of minus 1 minus 3 to the power of minus 1 all over h. It's good to try. It's good to try. It's good to have your own and you be trying and everything. Okay, now let's go through this. So what am I going to do here? I mean, I'm not going to be confused by, first of all, I'm going to try to substitute, right? And I put 0 here. I can see I can't. So I'm going to have to change something. And I look at this. I'm not going to be confused by this power of minus 1. I know what it means. If I say 2 to the minus 1, it just means 1 over 2 to the 1, okay? It just means 1 over 2. If I say 2 to the minus 1, it just put this thing under 1. So it's like 1 over 2, okay? 3 to the power of minus 1 is 1 over 3. Anything to the power of minus 1 is 1 over itself. So this is going to be, I have this as the power of minus 1. It's just going to be 1 over itself. So it's going to be the limit as h goes to 0. I start with this. 3 plus h to the power of minus 1 is 1 over 3 plus h. Then there's going to be this negative sign. So I say minus. 3 to the minus 1 is 1 over 3. And it's all over h. Still, I can't substitute, right? I'm going to simplify the top there, which is going to be the limit as h goes to 0. Can I subtract two things that have different denominators? No, I have to put them, they should have one denominator, a common denominator, which you just get by multiplying the two denominators. So 3 multiplying 3 plus h, okay? Then I say this 3 plus h into 3 plus h, it cancels with 3 plus h, and there's 3 that remains. And this 3 multiplies 1, it'll be 3 minus 3 into this denominator, it cancels with this 3, you remain with 3 plus h. 3 plus h multiplies 1, it to be 3 plus h, so it'll be minus 3 plus h. Okay, the whole 3 minus h is after this minus, so it should be after the minus, and it will be all over h, right? So I still can't substitute, so it's going to be the limit as h goes to 0 of, now what am I going to have here? I can say it'll be 3 minus 3, then minus of plus h becomes minus h, all over 3 multiplying 3 plus h, and it's all over h. So this is going to be, what am I going to have? The limit as h goes to 0 of 3 minus 3 is just going to be 0. So it's minus h over 3 multiplying 3 plus h, and it's all over h. Now we said if you have two denominators, this one and this one, just multiply the denominators by each other. So it's going to be the limit as h goes to 0 of this h comes, and it's going to be 3, it's going to be negative h all over 3 multiplying 3 plus h multiplying h. So I can just say it's going to be negative h all over, what am I going to have now? It's going to be still the limit as h goes to 0, okay, of, here it's going to be, here, negative h, and you know when I make the multiply like this h goes into here, it's 1, into negative it's 1. So you end up having minus 1 over 3 multiplying 3 plus h, which we can expand now to say it will be the limit as h goes to 0 of minus 1 over 3 times 3 is 9 plus 3 times h is 3h. Then now if I put 0 in the denominator, is it going to be 0? No, I can now substitute. So it's going to be minus 1 over 9 plus 3 by 0, okay? Which is going to be equal to minus 1 by 9 plus 0, which is still 0. So it's going to be minus 1 over 9, and this is going to be negative of 1 over 9. And this is your final solution, and you are done. We say to you, well done. Perfect. That was amazing. So this is going to be everything, and you would be done. So this one, we used the idea of simplifying. We just changed what it was saying, okay? This one, we just changed what it was saying by understanding what the power of minus 1 means. And everything else became a walk in the park, okay? So that is it. Well done. This is going to be the end. And here it is. We've reached the end of our tutorial 2. We look forward to more things, learning more things, and then we'll see whatever else comes. Goodbye for now. Meet you in the next thing.